90% of the passive income advice you see on this app is officially trash. Flipping NFTs is dead and low-level data entry has been replaced by AI in 2 seconds. In 2026, the gap between people working 80 hours a week and people making money while they sleep is a single skill. Orchestration. Today, we are breaking down the only 5 businesses that actually scale, from the easy bucket for beginners to the empire bucket for life-changing results. Stick around because halfway through I'm revealing the secret multiplier that can turn a $100 side hustle into a $10,000 monthly retainer. We are not just talking heads. We've analyzed thousands of real data points from top AI entrepreneurs and physical business owners. We studied what is actually hitting bank accounts today, not just what sounds good on social media. If you are a corporate professional stuck in a cubicle, a Gen Z student looking for a way out, or a stay-at-home parent needing cash, this is your blueprint. The old 9-to-5 rules are being deleted right now. And if you don't adapt, you will be left behind in the greatest wealth reset of our lifetime. Let's dive into bucket number 1. The AI tools audit. The easiest entry point even with zero technical skills. Local dentists, plumbers, and accountants are paralyzed by AI headlines while their competitors move faster. They have no idea which of the 10,000 tools actually work for their business. They are stuck in 2005 and desperate for clarity about what to use. You don't need to code and you don't need to build anything. You are selling AI clarity. You sit with a business owner and identify their most annoying repetitive tasks like invoicing or scheduling. Then you select 3 to 5 AI tools that solve those exact problems. You package everything into a simple report and hand it over to them. Beginners charge $500 for a report that takes 10 minutes using free tools like Gemini and Notebook LM. Once experienced, you can scale audits up to $5,000 for larger companies. Data from our community shows the average time to land a first client is just 9 days. If you want something more tangible, we move to bucket number 2, the physical gold mine. Forget the $500,000 mortgage for traditional Airbnb. In 2026, the real money is in e-bike rental fleets and hipcamp land rentals. You can buy a rental-grade e-bike for about $700. You can rent it out for $400 per week in a tourist area. You break even in just 2 weeks and everything after that is pure profit. If you have more capital, consider hipcamp, the Airbnb for land. You find cheap rural land instead of expensive city property. We found 18 acres in North Carolina for $36,000 as an example. You set up 4 or 5 glamping tents instead of building a house. You avoid foundations, construction, and massive cleaning crews. People are hungry for unique outdoor experiences. This model can generate $30,000 a year in gross revenue. That comes from roughly a $50,000 total investment. It is a return traditional real estate can't touch. Now here is the promised secret multiplier, the Trojan horse strategy. Instead of begging for work, you offer a free workshop or mini audit first. You target a business you already have access to or trust with. You show them how to automate one task that saves 5 hours per week. You watch their reaction as they realize what AI can really do. About 70% of companies that take a free workshop end up signing recurring contracts. You move from freelancer to systems architect overnight. This leads to bucket number 3, Digital Assets 2.0. We are moving far beyond basic Canva templates. The new frontier is IP licensing combined with AI orchestration. Imagine creating a silent team of AI agents for a business. Using tools like 11 Labs, you can build a 24/7 AI phone line. It answers customer questions automatically. It qualifies leads without human staff. It even books appointments while the owner sleeps. You build the system once and charge a monthly licensing fee. That fee keeps the system running and profitable for you. This is what modern passive income actually looks like. You are effectively renting out a robotic employee that never calls in sick. It never complains and never needs a raise. People are earning $40,000 a month managing just a few AI voice agents. Their clients are high-ticket businesses like law firms and medical clinics. Now consider bucket number 4, the silent YouTube machine. You don't need to show your face or own a professional camera. Faceless channels are long-term digital assets in 2026. Tools like HeyGen create videos, and CapCut automates editing. You can make cinematic content that ranks for years in search. The core strategy is teaching a skill, not chasing cheap virality. Teach Google Sheets, gardening, budgeting, or any useful skill. Your videos become search engine assets. They drive traffic to affiliate links and your own digital products. One evergreen video can earn $10 per month for 5 years. Multiply that by 100 videos and you have a silent revenue engine. This silent team works for you day and night. It sells while you sleep without you being on camera. Here is the anti-passive income truth the gurus hide. Passive income is a myth at the beginning of the journey. It requires about 1,000 days of focused setup. You must commit to one system and stop chasing shiny objects. Winners lose more than losers because they stay in the game longer. They keep experimenting until something finally works. You must document your journey and build in public. That builds accountability and a community that trusts you. People start wanting to buy from you before you even have a product. To be truly free, you need 25x your annual expenses saved, giving you time agency. Once you reach that number, you no longer trade hours for dollars. You see the world like a business owner. And the 2026 wealth reset belongs to those who start today.